everyone, it's Ashlyn with Northeast Acura, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the factory remote start on your Acura vehicle. So the vehicle we're going to be using today is a 22 MDX Type S. It's going to be that gray one right on the end right there. And a couple great things about this remote start, of course, is for cold winters, if you don't want to run out to your car to start it, or if you're leaving work and you want to make sure it's warmed up before you head out. Also on a day like today, if it's raining and you want to make sure your vehicle is started before you make the dash in the rain. So what we're going to do for our remote start, these remote starts work up to the length of about a football field, give or take walls or doors in between. But a really cool feature with this key fob is that it has an active driver feedback so that you know if your vehicle started or not, or if you're in range. Now you can't really see it to the naked eye, but when I hit my lock button, you'll see these little lights at the top. So there's gonna be an orange one, a green one, and a red one. So how we're gonna do this is first we're gonna make sure our car is locked. And then if we're in range, we'll see that little green light. So that means that I'm in range to use my remote start. So once our vehicle is locked and we get the green light, we're gonna press and hold the engine button for a few seconds and let it go. There we go. And if I get the green light there, that means my vehicle is started. If for some reason I get another red light, that means that our vehicle did not start. So if you have remote start on your vehicle that is a factory remote start, every single key is going to have kind of the same format. So you'll have your engine hold button, lock, unlock, and then of course like your trunk button. But the biggest thing to know if you have remote start is having this button right at the top here. For more information on the Acura model lineup, or if you're looking to add factory remote start to your current Acura vehicle, visit us online, give us a call, or come down to the dealership to see me.